Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing / review overview of a watch sent in by my buddy Peter, and I'll put his Instagram handle right around here. And so he ordered one of these new G-Shock NASA special release watches. He was able to score one, so he asked me if I was interested in taking a look at it and reviewing real quick, and so I happily said yes. So let's take a look at this guy here. Now I think these guys retail, if I'm not mistaken, for $140. You know, there was an initial rush to get them and they sold out pretty quickly, but I think if you go back on the site, I mean, it looks like they're available. Pretty cool. Now, last year they also came out with a NASA release, but this one is a little bit different. It's to commemorate the first shuttle launch back in April 21 of 1981. Man, I think I remember that. I mean, I was not even 8 years old at the time. So yeah, I think I kind of remember it. It was a big deal, very big deal. So the model number on here is a DW5600NASA for NASA 21. And so this is slightly different than the first one that came out, or the other one that came out last year. The other one was all white. The case was all white. Here you can see that the case over here is black. Very cool watch. Let's see here. Very cool. So we'll talk about that in a second, that backlight. But I have my other my OG 5600. So it's based on this shape and size. This watch has the NASA watch has all the capabilities of the 5600, right? I mean, you got the shock resistance, the 200 meter water resistance, the electronic electroluminescent backlighting that I'll click here, and let me just show you that. So right over here you will see, I'll try to get it, but it is a silhouette of the shuttle. So very cool. You can see the red part there. That's that big fuel center tank rocket looking thing, and I'm sure you can get better pictures online of it, but very cool backlight, 1/100th of a second stopwatch, accuracy to plus or minus 15 seconds a month. Cool looking watch. If you're into the space thing, if you're into NASA, it would be an awesome addition to your G-Shock collection. On the keeper here, the American flag proudly there, and then you have the white band with the black buckle, United States right here. So I guess this kind of looks like a rocket. I don't know if that was the intention. I'm sure somebody will know exactly what it is. NASA written in red on top here. Very cool looking watch. It looks like Peter hasn't even tried it on, so I don't want to spoil that moment for him. So I'll put it up here. Cool looking watch. Like I said, if you're into that the NASA thing, this might be something that you want to pick up. Now let's get over here. I don't know what the measurements are for this. Let's get a weight here. Let's turn this puppy on, and we got 56 grams. Okay, super light. Let's see that compared to the my DW5600, 54 grams. So I mean, I don't know how much this tag weighs. Maybe this tag and whatnot weighs a little bit. I don't know, but it should be roughly the same. Let's get some measurements, shall we? Let me get my calipers here and take a look. Okay. I still can't really work these things really properly. So I'm getting around a 42.7 across. Let's do, I don't even measure now here. So let's just measure the case here. 48.1 case thickness, around, again, 12.6, but that's probably deep into the, let's get it over here. Let's measure the case like that, 12.3. So around approximately 12. So 41, 42 by whatever I said this was, sorry, 48. Yeah, 47, 48. So, your typical dimensions. I know it's all over the place, and on the website, you'll probably have more accurate measurements, but it's roughly the same size as this guy over here. Anyway, really, really cool watch. Thank you, Peter, for lending it in. Again, if you are a big fan of NASA and of the space shuttle, this is such a cool piece to add to the collection. If you have the previous NASA watch, well, this is the second in the set. I don't know how many more they're doing. Let's take a look at that backlight again, though. I'm not going to go through all the functions because you guys probably know already what the functions are. And there's plenty of videos doing that. I'm just doing an unboxing and showing off the watch here real quick. That is awesome. That's so cool. And that's awesome. On either side of the shuttle, it says 1981 to 2021. If you see 2021 there and 1981 right over there. So very, very cool. Thanks again, Peter. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.